welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at the special pre-sale token, which is not even listed on CoinGecko and not even right now on the blockchain. It is a very new, hot project. These guys want me to do it and show you that they have maybe the opportunity for you to make some bucks on the blockchain, and why I think this project could be something in the future. I will show you right now on the website. It's not much to see, but they have already a white paper. We can step into it a little bit deeper, and I will make a second and third video to show you exactly what is behind this platform. informationtechnologies.us. This is their website. Technical experience. We are a rapidly growing technology solutions firm, well versed in a variety of operating system, networks, database and application engineering. We develop solution-based systems utilizing technology as it enters the private sector. We use our expertise to achieve success customers with small to mid-size projects. So they help to realize project with their technical experience, high ROE. Do you spend most of your IT budget on maintaining your current system? Many companies find that constant maintenance eats into their budget for new technology. By outsourcing your IT management and systems integration, you can focus on what you do best: running your business. Satisfaction guaranteed. The world of technology can be fast-paced and complicated. That's why our goal is to provide an experience that is tailored to your company's needs. By priding ourselves in providing professional customer service, we guarantee you will be satisfied with our solution. So this is an already existing company, Information Technology Incorporated. And these guys, if we look on their solution, they want to make a token on the blockchain and help also with their technology education, and for sure they want to participate also on the blockchain. You can see here blockchain technology. It is amazing how blockchain will adapt universal to manufacture accountable systems. Learn how your business can demand efficiency and accountability. AI integration. Learn methods to integrate AI to increase efficiency and improve systems. Program development. Understanding the newest programming technology while utilizing the best and brightest minds creates a rapidly growing company. Systems analysis. Book a professional review of active systems to develop up-to-date technology solutions for cost-effective rapid growth. Technology funding partnership. As a rapidly advancing technology firm, we realized the growing pains that exist in business development thanks to the belief in our vision. Information Technology Inc. has grown exponentially. Understanding the necessity for capital, we are proud to assist growing startups to attain financial participation. Schedule an appointment with our project finance administration. We will determine if one of our network of technology investors can advance your project. We pride ourselves in having built one of the largest database of capital infusion opportunities. So they help here also startups, technology startups, to stand up and show what they can do, right? Because without money, it's hard to go forward in this business. Elohim University Network. Coming soon, the brick and mortar arm of Elohim Coin, the universal education component for upcoming Elohim Coin. So, and here starts the interesting part. This company already exists, and these guys want to bring their coin, Elohim Coin or Elohim token, on the blockchain. And for sure, they want to integrate here some universities so that everyone can participate in their knowledge. Here you can make already some appointments as a customer. So you see this company is already existing. They are in Watertown, South Dakota, United States, and Arnoldsburg, West Virginia, and here they have their email and phone number. So this is a company which are already existing. And for the pre-sale, they told me that they will show me more. They don't have quite now their social platforms like Facebook, etc., Instagram, and all this stuff. I told them, please make a Telegram group so people can connect each other. If you have a good idea, people must know about it, right? So in here, we have their white paper right now. And it's much to read. It's 21 sides. But I just want to show you a small part of it. And this is, here's for example, create an education platform, achieve reward. So that means if you study on their platform, you earn Elohim tokens. And this is a nice thing where you get paid to learn, right? And we can see here more passive income. But I want to show you another side here. It's very interesting. Benefits of Elohim coin. The first, secure Elohim platform provides private and secure proprietary technology applications with its encrypted communication platform and multifunctional wallet. Fast and cost efficiency. Elohim transactions are fast and secure with low transaction fees for its users. Right now, I don't even know what kind of blockchain this token will come, but if I know it, you are the first. I will tell you. Donations to poor. Elohim funds can be donated to the most hard to reach and poor communities, creating established market communities with a direct focus on creating economic identity for those who have been left behind. Education. Elohim coin offers education platforms to the students, and they are rewarded to the students for their achievement while education. Decentralization. Elohim coin is a full decentralization cryptocurrency, providing peer-to-peer trading to consumers and investors, proudly incentivizing participation in advancements in growing markets. AI platform. Elohim will essentially provide proprietary artificial intelligence technology to ensure the learning, data collection, transaction, and security of the users. Will secure stronger investment opportunity in developing markets. So you can see right now there's much more behind it, and I cannot tell you everything, but I will focus on the technology in the next video. Until then, I wish you all the best. Just have an eye on Elohim token, and Elohim coin. Just have an eye on. Don't forget it. And we will see us in the next video, and I will explain you more what's behind it. See you later, alligator. Bye.